To send XRP using Trust Wallet, start by opening the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. If you have not already, create a new wallet or recover an existing one using your seed phrase. Once your wallet is set up, navigate to the main screen where you will see a list of available cryptocurrencies including XRP. Tap on XRP to open the XRP wallet. Then tap the Send button. You will be prompted to enter the recipient's XRP address. Make sure to enter the address correctly, as transactions on the blockchain are irreversible. You can also scan a QR code containing the recipient's address for a faster and more convenient way to send XRP. Next, enter the amount of XRP you want to send. You can choose to send a specific amount or use the max button to send your entire XRP balance. Be aware that a small transaction fee will be deducted from your balance to cover the cost of processing the transaction on the XRP network. Before confirming the transaction, review the details to ensure everything is correct. Check the recipient's address, the amount of XRP being sent, and the transaction fee. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction and the XRP will be sent to the recipient's address. It is essential to keep in mind that XRP transactions are typically processed quickly, often in under a minute. However, the processing time may vary depending on the current network congestion and the fee you paid. To ensure your transaction is processed quickly, make sure to pay a competitive fee. As a best practice, always double-check the recipient's address before sending XRP, and be aware of the current market conditions and fees. Additionally, keep your seed phrase safe and secure to protect your wallet and funds from unauthorized access. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely and efficiently send XRP using Trust Wallet. Remember to always prioritize security and caution when handling cryptocurrency transactions.